Okay, as I told you before, the zones of cell growth is divided into 3 zones. The first one is the zone of cell division. The second one is cell elongation, and the third one is zone of cell differentiation. Okay, we are going to look each of them. The first one, cell division. As you know, divisions in biology, when the cells divide, it means it's multiplied. It's getting the cells getting more and more and more. Okay, so in the zone of cell division takes place at the apical. It takes place at the apical meristem. Okay, so these cell divisions happen at the apical meristems, where the cells is actively dividing through mitosis. Okay, mitosis. So we already learned the chapter 5 or 6 in syllabus form 4. When the cell is divided, it's undergo process of mitosis or meiosis. So in this case, the cell division, this meristematic cell is undergo mitosis. Okay, when there's mitosis happen, the increase of number of cells causes the elongation of the plant stem. Okay lah, bila sudah, okay, so this is the plant, this is the shoot. At the shoot we have a apical meristem tissues. So here we have a meristematic cell. Bila dia division banyak, bila banyak tu barulah yang ini nanti, okay, kita belum lagi kita tengok di sini, dia jadi banyak the increase of number of cells will cause, bila banyak will cause the cell to elongate, memanjang, elongate. Logik lah, bila kita mau benda tu panjang, kita mesti division dulu, banyak-banyakkan dulu. Okay, and then when the new cell are forming, the cells formed previously are pushed to the zone of cell elongation. Okay, maksudnya tadi, again I repeat. Okay, this is the shoot of tip of shoot, di hujung pucuk. So ada meristematic tissue, dia akan divide daripada satu, divide, mitosis, divide. So mana yang macam ni, ulangan. Okay, sini divide lagi. Ini dia sentiasa divide di atas ni, dia divide di sini je. Jadi mana yang terhasil dulu. Okay, yang terhasil dulu, yang previously, maksudnya yang sudah duluan terhasil tadi, dia akan push to the zone of elongation to cause the plant to elongate, the stem to elongate. Okay, next kita pergi pula move to the next zone, which is zone of cell elongation. So in this cell elongation, what happened? The cells increasing in size. Okay, increasing in size. The increase in size happen. How the size increase? Because it happens water diffusion by osmosis and absorption of nutrients into the cell and stored in vacuoles. Ni ada gambar ni, kamu boleh tengok lah. Okay, the small vacuoles fuse to form a large vacuoles. This process is known as vacuolation. Macam ni, gambar ni boleh faham. The small vacuoles fuse ni bergabung, fuse to form large vacuole. Ni large vacuole, and large ni yang sudah membesar. Okay, and then bila ni belum lagi, dia yang besar ni dia fuse lagi sampailah dia jadi completely a large vacuole macam ni. Okay, bila large vacuole, so the cell itself will increase in size. Okay, next, bila sudah we start from first one. Bila cell divide jadi banyak, it will enter to the next zone, which is elongation. Cell memanjang, increase in size, and then bila sudah memanjang barulah goes to the next one, zone of cell differentiation. What happened in cell differentiation? The cell is differentiate once they have reached their maximum size. Maksudnya tadi sel dia at the cell elongation, the size of cell is increased. Kan, dia bertambah size sampai bila dia bertambah size tu? Until reach maximum size. Cell tu it has its own maximum size. Okay. And then bila sudah sampai maximum size, the cell will differentiate. Differentiate ni macam ni, dia akan jadi specifically, dia jadi khusus. Ada yang jadi epidermis, cortex, xylem atau phloem. Maksudnya dia membagi, dia jadi spesifik. Mula-mula jadi sel biasa, lama-lama bila dia besar gitu dia akan jadi ada differentiate. This is what we call differentiate to form the specific tissues. Okay. Tadi dia sel tu dia hanya increase in size. During the cell differentiation, the cell will change their shape and structure to become specialized cells with specific function. Ini keyword dia. Inilah yang highlight apa berlaku, what happened during the differentiation. Okay. For example, ini contoh lah. For examples, epidermal cells in leaves differentiate and form gut cell that control the opening of stoma. Kita tahu gut cell tu sebenarnya epidermal cell. Epidermal ni maksudnya dia layer, tapi dia bukan setakat layer, jadi differentiate to become a gut cell. Same goes to the root hair. Root hair ni asalnya dia adalah epidermal cell, dia macam on the surface, tapi bila differentiate it becomes a root hair cell. Okay.